Okay, the mods coming back at you. I got a pair of Olympic 7s, the newer release. Pretty good shape. They just been brought to me to do customization on them. Some sweet football season time. So they've been brought to also. You see, got a scuff on one of the toe boxes. So what I'm gonna do is fix this toe box scuff and customize the toe box with a little logo on there to match the rest of the shoe. So it's something simple, something small, but quick custom. Since the shoe is already red and blue, my homeboy brought these to me. He's a Texans fan, so I'm gonna put the Houston Texans logo on the toe box, and I'll be done. I'll be back with the finished product, so stay tuned. Back, finished product on these Jordan Olympic 7s. Got the Houston Texans logo, Toro, on the toe box in red and blue. Of course, the Texans color, and of course it matches the shoe. These are the new release Olympics. Did these for my homeboy. Him and his dad gonna be going to the game in Florida, I think it is. But finished product came out good. Also touched up the toe box, removed the scuffs, filled it in, as you can see. Again, Houston Texans Jordan 7s. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.